Have you ever found the perfect photo online only to be stuck with a big watermark or logo that ruins the entire image? And yes, we don't want to pay for something we only use once just for ourselves. That's why I'll show you 3 fast and easy ways that we can remove watermarks for free using the power of AI. But of course, there are limitations to some of these free tools that I will talk about later. Hi, this is JJ and I hope you're doing well today. The first tool I will introduce you is called AIFaceSwap.io. So this tool is mainly for swapping faces, but they also have a really useful tool which removes watermark. And then click on the right show header menu and then scroll down and you see some AI watermark remover, as you can see. So just click on it. So the link will be down in the description below, so no worries about that. Keep scrolling down until you see a place where you can upload your photos. You can upload an image below 20 megabytes, and also it supports PNG, JPEG, WebP, and BMP. So for now, let's upload a photo. So for example, if I want to upload this photo, it will automatically remove the watermark. It will take around 30 seconds depending on the size of your photos. You can see it already removed the watermark successfully. The great thing about this tool is that it is fast and you do not need to log in. You can immediately use the tool and download it for free. And just a note that the downloaded photo will also be a little bit compressed. Unfortunately, this tool can only remove small watermarks and simple ones like text. You can't remove overly complicated watermarks. It will just ruin the entire photo. As you can see, it removes the text successfully, but the background is a bit distorted, pretty obvious, and it removes the Japanese text as well, which is not supposed to be removed. But it's really good at removing, as you can see, the numbers at the corner of the image, which is good. So the next watermark removal is from AIEase.ai. So it is also a suite of different AI tools that you can use. But what we want to find is the AI watermark tool. So just scroll up to AI removal and then click on AI watermark remover. So click on remove image watermark now. So it supports JPEG, PNG, BMP. This time I'll upload a photo with more complex watermark. As you can see, the watermark is all over the place. Alamy here, there, even the symbol on the face. This is really complicated. So let's see how well it can remove it automatically without me doing anything yet. Okay, so it did an alright job of removing most of the watermark text. But if you look closely, you can see some of the text not being removed. As you can see, an A on the face here, A on the face there, a bit of here, a bit of there. So there's still some parts that it did not remove cleanly, but overall it still does a pretty good job. So to clear this up, we are going to just go to the manual one to remove it manually. So just click on the manual and then adjust the brush size. And then go towards the photo and highlight the parts to be removed. You can see I highlight one of this, highlight a bit of this. Then click on remove. As you can see, it removes it. Pretty not too bad. It is a bit distorted, but it still did a pretty good job with it. As you can see, it is already removed. The automated watermark removal is decent, but I really like to use the manual tool to clean up the image. And it is fast and free, and you can upload unlimited amount of images to remove the watermark. The only downside is that you have to create an account with them so that you can download the photos. So the next tool is called DeWatermark.ai. It's probably the best watermark remover that I've seen. The only problem is its pricing. So the free one only gets you 3 free credits per day, meaning you can only upload up to 3 images per day. And one tool, like for example, you update the image, it also costs 1 free credit. You do not need to sign up, but if you sign up, you get another 3 free credits. So as you can see, if you upload an image, for example, the same image that I've uploaded to AIEase, let's see how it handles it. And as you can see, it immediately gives us a preview. So this is the original photo with the watermark, and this is the after photo. without the watermark. And to be honest, it's almost perfect. As you can see, even the logos on the face, it's able to remove it almost cleanly without any much distortion or change to the background, which is really surprising. Not gonna lie, as you can see, it removes completely. This tool surprises me the most. I guess the only mistake I can see is over here, somewhere here. This is the logo of the logo is from the clothes. I think it's a champion jacket, and when it removes, it also removes a bit of the logo from the shirt. I think that's the only thing that I can find. Otherwise, it's extremely well done, especially such a complex image. And you can download it as well with the original quality. So this tool is fast, have the best quality in terms of removing the watermarks, and also you can download it with its original format and quality. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below to tell me which tool is the best in your own opinion or your use cases. Like and share this video. Make sure to subscribe, because on this channel I will share practical tips to use AI so that you can boost your productivity, save time, and even have a lot of fun along the way. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya!